Most people just want to boil water for a quick cup of coffee, but suddenly we are looking at a glass pot that wants to be your chef, your barista, and your personal assistant all at once. This specific multifunctional gadget from a major tech brand is making waves because it promises to replace your soup pot and your kettle in one go. You see it online and the sleek glass design looks incredible sitting on a modern kitchen counter. It is not just about bubbles and heat. This thing handles delicate teas, herbal infusions, and even slow-cooked soups. It offers precise temperature control ranging from 40 to 90 degrees. That is a dream for someone who takes their green tea temperatures seriously. It feels premium too. You are getting high-quality glass and stainless steel instead of cheap plastic. But here is where the tension starts. At 800 watts, this device is actually quite slow. Most standard kettles are hitting double or triple that power level. If you are in a rush to make instant noodles before a meeting, you are going to be staring at that glass for a long time. Speed is the first sacrifice on the altar of versatility. Then there is the smart factor. You can schedule your brew from your phone. You can set specific timers. But honestly, how many times have we seen tech get in the way of a simple task? Users on forums are reporting some real headaches. One day it works perfectly, and the next day it just refuses to start. It sits there like a very expensive paperweight. Sometimes it is just the dry boiled protection being a bit too sensitive. You have to unplug it. Let it cool down for hours and hope it resets its internal logic. It is a bit like owning a temperamental sport car when you just needed a bicycle to get to the grocery store. The app connection can be another hurdle. If your region settings are not exactly right, you might find yourself locked out of the very features you paid for. It is the classic modern dilemma where more features mean more potential points of failure. If you are someone who loves crafting complex herbal drinks or slow-brewed medicinal teas, the trade-off might be worth it. The precision is genuinely impressive when it works. But if you just need hot water for a tea bag or French press, this is massive overkill. You are paying for a brain you might never use. There are simpler versions out there that boil faster and cost less. They do one thing and they do it well. This multifunctional unit is for the person who treats their kitchen like a laboratory. It is for the person who finds joy in the process and the data. It is a legitimate piece of hardware, but it demands a level of patience and tech savviness that not everyone wants at 7 in the morning. Think about your routine. Do you want to troubleshoot your kettle, or do you just want your caffeine? If you are willing to risk a few technical glitches for the sake of the perfect temperature-controlled soup, then go for it. Reliability should always come before flashy features when you are dealing with boiling water. The capacity is decent at about 1.5 liters, so it handles a small family breakfast easily enough. Just don't expect it to break any land speed records. It is a tool for the patient connoisseur, not the frantic commuter. If you value the ability to heat a delicate herbal blend to exactly 85 degrees and have it ready right when your alarm goes off, the convenience is hard to beat. But for everyone else, the complexity might just be a bridge too far. Sometimes a kettle should just be a kettle.